Hey everybody, I just wanted to review this shower unit. We just redid our small guest bathroom and we wanted to put a really nice head unit in. I have to say that we had an issue with our first unit that came, but the seller was awesome. They immediately sent us a replacement unit, so A+ for the seller. So awesome there. Also, I wanted a lot of extra height on this unit, and so I purchased a different elbow. This one comes with a straight diagonal, which for our purposes, we wanted a little bit higher up from where we are because I'm pretty tall. The unit is mirror, as you can see. Kind of nice. It's very thin, it's very light, so there's really no concern with the weight on the pole when you power up the unit. I also really like that the wand is below the head of the unit, and so I like the rainfall capacity on this, but my wife, not her favorite. She likes a traditional shower feel, so with this one we were able to have the traditional shower feel for her just by rotating this knob, and it puts out a very good amount of pressure. The rainfall itself is very gentle. You're not going to get a massaging rainfall, which I don't think any rainfall unit does that, but this guy more than makes up for it. So I'll kick it on. So you'll notice the water fills up the head of the unit, so it started here and goes that way. When I cut the water from this unit, it will still drip from this bottom line for a little while the head of the unit empties. This is a really large unit, so I'm a decently large guy, but it completely envelops me when I'm under the rain feature. And now we're gonna turn that over. So I see the power. I mean, it's coming down pretty hard the length of the shower, which is awesome. You still might see that it's dripping a teeny bit here out of the bottom row since it's on a tilt right here like this. The water is dripping to the bottom and then coming out, but it'll stop after about 20 seconds, maybe. But this guy's really nice. And of course, it's detachable, so you can see like we're hitting that wall pretty good. So very happy with this one. I had actually bought one of those gimmicky TikTok Showerhead ones that has the fan built into it, and I compared it versus this, and as one would guess, it's junk. The TikTok guy, in addition to it being plastic and this is metal, so that guy got returned to Amazon. So overall, A+. For the price, I feel this is an excellent showerhead, way better than you'd be able to get at a big box store. And also the seller for this product, A+ as well for customer service, responded to me within 2 hours of my issue and shot me a replacement unit the very same day, and I got it 2 days later. So kudos to them, good seller.
done. No leaks. I follow the instructions. Listen, every time somebody calls me, what you doing? In the shower? What you doing? In the shower? No leaks. I did everything like I was supposed to do. It was super easy, like, yeah. Woohoo!
What's that? See? Lovely.
Standing now, remove your hats and join this.